Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make an ender portal. I think that's what it's called. Just like that one, I'm making the same one I make over there. So the first thing you're going to need is obsidian, and you like this. So you use 4 obsidian. Use 4 obsidian, but all mush them together. Then 4 or 3 here, and 4 and 2 and 2 there when you get that big part of the obsidian, and then same thing here. Then get flint and steel, and then at the corner here you do this. Then here you've got your ender portal or nether portal. To come both, but okay. So here we are at the nether. And if for some reason your portal gets destroyed, oh no, you can't come. Well, you might want to have this with you. I'm doing it in creative just because it's easier. But if you want to do it in survival, that'll be cool. So yeah, if it's broken, all you have to do is copy what you learned before you went inside. So do the same thing. And also, here's a tip. So if you don't have that much obsidian, sometimes it works if you cut off some corners. Like it might not work, it could, but it still works. But if you just want it to be perfect, then use all your obsidian. Yeah, you can just do that. So I go back to your lovely old home, if you have a lovely old home. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. The weird thing is when you come out of the nether portal, just like stuck in the ground, which is yeah. So I'm gonna do something just for you guys. Sub, like, and comment down below what other tutorials should I do. If you don't know anything or you heard of something, just comment down below and I will show you on the next video, or you can call it vid.